are here.
You
already know. We saw. I think we saw River. Was that River? We saw River, and we were like, listen, we just gotta get to this one. River never holds us back
at all.
He's always putting what I call the juice. Without further ado, we live, baby.
Good morning,
Sock Posse.
What's going on, guys? My name is Alan.
And I'm Alex.
Welcome to Amicy channel.
Guys, listen, if you're not a part of the Amicy gang, click on that subscribe button below and join us in the squad.
Oh, God.
Guys, here we got Rog Wave, Grand BEATBOX Battle 2023 World League Tag Team Elimination. Without further ado, let's go to the best guys of this video. Let's get popping.
Let's get it.
Let's begin.
Hit him with the glitch.
Ooh la la.
I'm gonna get it down.
What?
Ooh la la.
Oh, la la.
Ooh la 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 la.
Yeah. La la la.
Coming to the stage right here, live and direct. It is my pleasure to introduce to you
Rog Wave.
Hit him with the big glitch.
No homies.
Hey.
They know who it is. They know who it is.
We got
He
Collapse.
got the long hair.
I told you. Okay, I thought he was.
We got River.
Oh, I thought that was Colombia.
We got that French power with that Colombian flavor.
Hey.
One more time. Tokyo, y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
Jimmy the Sky.
Yeah.
Rog Wave, it's on you. You already know what to do. Let's see what's popping. I say the twa, you say the crowd in twa.
BEATBOX.
I'm with the anxiety.
It's like a Tetris.
Final individual semi-final versus second place.
GBB, are you ready? I said, GBB, are you ready?
Hey.
You can't be lame and not get this. Check this. You can't be lame and not get this. GBB!
Hey.
Now get this.
Dai, colombiano.
What the heck?
Come on.
Yeah, bye.
Come on. This is just crazy.
Oh my goodness.
GBB, Now get this.
The homies cooking.
Guys, listen, that was Rog Wave, Colombiano, France, Grand BEATBOX Battle World League Tag Team Elimination. I think one of the things that I found to be interesting, right?
What's up, bro?
Within that entire sequence of us checking out all of the different BEATBOX tag teams,
Yes.
is that you can essentially tell who has stage experience versus people that are just good.
Uh-huh.
So, like, if you look at it like Rog Wave, right?
Okay.
Collapse and River were the two finalists last year for the individual beatbox competition.
Yes.
And so, and again, like, and also, okay, I guess you know what it's like, you can tell, because if I'm at home and I'm practicing a routine, I'm gonna sound amazing. So when I send that in, and someone's gonna listen to it, they're like, wow.
This was great.
That doesn't mean it's gonna translate to the real world.
Uh-huh.
Because you gotta do the exact same thing you did at home on that stage.
Yes.
You don't have the level of like, I got, you know, because it's an anxiety. Like, do you see the crowd?
Of course.
The crowd's crazy.
You can't be caught lacking, bro.
You can't be caught lacking.
Yeah.
And I think with River and Collapse, it's like these guys are,
they've been ready for it, bro.
bro. This is what they do.
This is them.
So I'm really excited to kind of see like where the competition kind of goes from there.
Me too.
Because this is gonna be dope to be able to see. Because like now you're gonna be hearing everyone in real time that you're competing against. Like, oh,
this is what you got. Okay.
oh, I was ranked here when I came in here, but these guys were ranked under me. But whenever they did theirs live, this is a different ball game.
Of course.
So it's I'm kind of excited to kind of see like the next ones to come.
Same, bro.
It's gonna be great. Listen, guys, we love you guys. We appreciate you to the freaking fullest at all times. Don't shoot yourself.
Love thyself.
Keep it Amicy.
Peace.